Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Tether from your Coinbase wallet to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a popular stablecoin that's super handy for crypto transactions, and moving it between wallets is easier than you might think. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking for a quick update, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Tangem Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on the official apps to avoid any scams. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and navigate to the Assets, or Portfolio, section. Find Tether, USDT, in your list of holdings. Once you've selected it, tap on the Send, or Withdraw, button. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, you'll need the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. Open the Tangem app, go to the wallet that holds your Tether, and copy the wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you copy it accurately to prevent any errors. Back in Coinbase, paste the Tangem address into the Recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before confirming. Select the appropriate network, typically Ethereum or Tron for Tether, and hit Send. You'll be prompted to confirm with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on its status. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. You can track it using the transaction ID in both wallets. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly, especially if you're dealing with larger amounts. And if you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for common problems such as incorrect addresses or insufficient funds. There you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.